Nyam Nyam brings you creative cupcake decoration ideas. Perfect animal cupcakes for Easter. All you need is some fondant icing to start with, and we're just going to roll that into a kind of teardrop pebble shape, leaving it a little bit thick, adding a small pink piece in the middle, slightly towards one side. Now we're using a cutter to make little indents, and doing the same with another. We've got two paws. Now, we get the large white piece of fondant icing and roll it into a dome shape. Putting that aside, get the smaller piece, roll it into a nice ball and coat it in sugar granules. Now, ready to piece it all together. With a brush, paint a little bit of water on either side of our dome and stick on our rabbit paws. And now, the fluffy tail. Right, time to get our cupcake. We're going to use a serrated edge nozzle to put some green buttercream icing on to look like grass, sticking on our bunny and a few fondant flowers. Right, for our next cupcake decoration, we're going to have 3 coloured fondant icing. We got purple, we got yellow, and we've got pink. We're rolling them into egg shapes. Now get our cupcake, squirt some plain buttercream icing on with a few dark chocolate flakes, and stick on our fondant eggs. Brilliant! For our third and final design, we're going to get some yellow fondant icing with a little bit of orange. For the yellow one, we're going to make the body. And the orange one we're going to very carefully mould into a beak, using a cutter to fold it in half. There you have a perfect looking beak, and using a cocktail stick to just dot on 2 tiny dots of black food colouring for eyes. Now get your cupcake and squirt some white buttercream icing on, and then some brown to make a nest. Stick your chicks inside, and there you have it. Beautiful 3 wonderful Easter cupcake designs. Yummy!